Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chef Joyce, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken coconut sauce. I hope you will enjoy this delicious recipe, and please at the end of this don't forget to give me your comments on how you have found this dish. Thank you so much. Let's go and cook together.
Okay, I'm going to start boiling my chicken, so I'll put a little amount of salt and little amount of water, and I will let it boil in a medium heat for about 15 minutes. Then we will come back to
Now our chicken are ready, and I'm going to show you what we are going to do. Okay, now we are going to stir fry our chicken. So fry your chicken is also another good way, especially for family meal or small quantities of meat. So make our chicken sauce. I'm going to start my stove at medium heat. I will just add a little oil. Đấy.
I'm going to add tomato paste. Now I'm going to add coconut sauce. Remember, we want it to be strongly tastes in coconut. And at the same time, we don't want it to be too watery. So we will let it cook for about 5 minutes, and our chicken sauce will be ready. You can eat it with rice or any other food of your choice. And also eat it with mashed potatoes. It's also good. Please enjoy and see you next time. Don't forget to comment and share this video with your loved ones. Thank you.